Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today I was just kind of paging through the Window Warriors Forum, and James, which is a key member, has been with the forum since the beginning, had another great post, and within that post he talked a little bit about spend the money. Spending the money it rings so true, especially to me. I like to, when I buy equipment, budget is always one thing, but you have to take into account what that equipment's going to get you, and what if I went up a level or two on that same piece of equipment, and what benefits that's going to have for you. Some pieces of equipment, water fed poles, lighter products, stiffer products, are a benefit, but you're not going to get those great qualities that are going to reduce stress on the body, or any of those other characteristics that they might have at the lowest price. So spending the money on equipment truly does give you, in most circumstances, a great piece of equipment that's going to be easier on the body to work. Most of us self-employed window cleaners, we're hard workers. I haven't met a window cleaner that's not. We're self-employed, we're driven and motivated, and we probably wear ourselves out a little too much. So taking into account what our equipment does for us, how it's going to benefit us, is a key factor which we should often think about when we're making new purchases. Thanks, James, for talking about spend the money. Appreciate it. You saw it here, Window Warriors Forum.